Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dan Aguilera and I'm a men's empowerment coach. My goal is to help ambitious men navigate modern dating with ease without pickup lines or tactics and simultaneously overcoming limiting beliefs and rediscovering their self-worth in the process. Most of the men who come to me are pretty successful by today's standards. They have careers, intelligence, and they're doing pretty well in life overall. But when it comes to dating, they feel invisible to women. This is a topic that I'm very passionate about and that really resonates with me because in my early years of dating, through most of my teens and my early 20s, I felt the same way. I felt that the women I liked didn't like me back and they always wanted other men and they just wanted to keep me around as a friend, and I could never understand why. And it caused so much turmoil and frustration within me. And if you're a man who's going through something similar right now, this video is for you, because I'm gonna break down why this is happening. And before I get into it, I wanna reassure you that despite what the modern manosphere might tell you, you are not broken. There is nothing wrong with you. You just have some negative wiring in your brain that needs to be fixed. I'm gonna start this explanation by painting a little scenario. Let's imagine you walk into a room. It could be a bar, it could be a networking event, some other type of social event. And immediately when you walk in, you start to think, what are others thinking about me? How am I coming across? What should I say? You're starting to crave external validation. Instead of being present, you start managing yourself. You soften your tone, you filter your speech, and you hesitate before acting. And while this may provide a temporary feeling of safety, the downside is you don't stand out. You don't take up space. You don't express your true intent. So people don't really trust you. This is where the concept of the bad vibe comes in. People feel like you're not being genuine and you're just putting on a performance to get their approval. So they withdraw. And this reinforces the loop of you overthinking more, expressing yourself even less. And what's the result? You stay invisible. But here's the truth most men don't understand, and what most dating coaches nowadays don't teach properly. Being present has nothing to do with being loud, dominant, or demonstrating alpha male behavior. All you need to be present is to be fully expressive without editing yourself. This means not caring so much about what other people think of you or afraid that you're gonna say something offensive or controversial. Right now, you're running on a subconscious script that was programmed into you at a young age. This includes thoughts like, don't be too much, don't be awkward, and above all, do not get rejected. And as a result, you started to minimize yourself. This is something that others can feel, not on a conscious level necessarily, but definitely on an energetic level. So now I'm gonna share with you the 4-step framework for making this shift. Step number 1, stop managing perception. The moment you try to control how you're seen, you immediately disconnect from yourself. So instead, ask yourself, what is it that I really wanna say? Or what is my true intention behind this interaction? And then be honest. Step number 2, express your intention early, even if it's not perfect. Don't wait to get it right. Magnetic presence comes from timing, but isn't necessarily perfect. So say it sooner and decide faster. Step number 3, let silence be okay. Invisible men have the tendency to fill silence with nervous energy. Grounded men, on the other hand, are comfortable with silence. So take the time to pause, breathe, and hold your space. And step number 4 is build self-trust. At the core of invisibility is this. You don't trust yourself to handle the outcome, so you avoid the moment entirely. But when you can get to a place of just feeling good and trusting yourself regardless of the outcome, that's when your confidence is strongly embedded in you. So here's what this identity shift looks like in a nutshell. You go from thinking, I hope I don't mess this up, to I love myself, I respect myself, and I trust myself no matter what the outcome may be. This is when your magnetic presence stops being performance and becomes natural. Guys, if what I discussed in this video resonates with you, I want you to know that you're not alone and that this is something that can't be fixed with superficial Band-Aid solution dating tactics. It requires an identity shift. If you did enjoy what I discussed in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content on how to embody an empowered man identity. That's all for now, gentlemen. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.